Hello everybody, I am in Jujutsu Shenanigans, and today we will be trolling inside of Combat Warriors Roblox with a chainsaw. So let's just hop over to Combat Warriors, shall we? Alright, that was not a smooth transition, but I don't care. So I have the chainsaw right here. I rolled like forever to get this. Here's this attack animation, pretty good. And we're also going to be pairing it up with the kunai, which is a ranged item. So, oh, I think I see a target. Let's just pop that. Okay, hit him. Oh, my aim sucks. Well, that really just sucks. Let me just kill him in the water, because why not? Alright, first kill of the day. Let's go. Okay, I gotta head out of here. Ooh, is that a fight going on? I love fights. Anyway, let me just kill him. Ooh, that was a great parry. Thanks for the kill, bud. Be gone. That's the finisher, by the way. Ooh, and this guy volunteered to be my glory kill. How do you say it, bro? Alright, gone. Okay, cool. Now we can just take out this guy. Or is he just gonna... Okay, no, he's not gonna die by the water. Okay, stomp him out. Who can we just like kill? Who can we murder? You know, also I do not support spawn camping or like camping anything. I really just do not support it, so please just do not do it. I'm really only doing it for the content, so please just do not do it. Ooh, we could kill that guy. Alright. Okay. This is a quick spoil. I meet my nemesis with a bat, a baseball bat. You heard me, bro. Bro, who said that? Anyways, let's get that kill. Ooh, free kill. All right, I'll take it. All right. Oh, thanks for the parry, bro. Thanks for the parry. Ooh. All right. Bro, my aim sucks. Oh, what's this guy want? Come on, use your parry. Yup. You got him. He's dead. Gone. You're gone, bloody. Woo! Glory kill. I'm gonna call it a glory kill for the rest of the video, to be honest. But just do that, and a little bit of that. The dark, huh? We better be the racing, bud. Okay, kill. Oh no. Oh, he got me. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Well, that's the first death of today. So I'm just gonna... Yeah. Oh, okay. Once again, I do not support spawn camping. What's that? Okay. I do not support spawn camping. Do not do it. Ooh, another free kill, huh? What? Okay, he's just laggy. Okay, I just one-shot him too. Alright, free kill. There's people spawning. Gojo? Okay, this is my chance to kill him. Oh my god, bro. Okay, nice parry. And I'm dead. Wow. Do not get too cocky in this game before you could die. Yeah, please just do not get too cocky, I swear. Like, it's just horrible. Oh my god. Do not spawn camp like him, by the way. Like, holy, I think that's a famous or something. Okay, Ghost. Oh, you better become one. Oh, a ranged user. Okay, I just did this server justice. Alright, thanks for the parry, bro. We love to see that kind of... Okay, got it. Oh! Okay, I died no matter what. Got it. Ooh, red. Okay, you're gonna be pumped. Don't mind what I said. Ghost? Good luck becoming a ghost, blood. Oh, you tried grenade. Okay. Don't think I don't see you, because I clearly do. Gone, demon. Okay. Ooh, $10. I'll take it. Okay, let's just kill this guy. Well, let's just kill this guy. Alright. Oh, wait, did I just parry him? That has to be one of the luckiest parries of my life, bro. Oh my god. I love combat. Holy. Ooh, we can kill this guy instead. Okay, let's just kill. Okay. Oh, he jumped down? He jumped down. Got it? But hell yeah, let's just kill him anyways, on God. Okay, that guy's dead. Let's see. Who else can we kill? Let's go chainsawing, bro.
Let's see. This
Are you? Oh, did he just roll? What? Nah, I don't support friendly. It's teaming.
Alright, bro.
Alright, let's kill this guy.
Right here.
Oh, brother. Oh, it's this guy.
Die.
Oh, brother. Okay. Well, oh, I cannot stand him. Anyways, okay, why did I just parry? Yes, let's just.
We love seeing.
Oh, let me kill you. Come on, where you going?
I'm glad I can kill you.
Come on. Easy kill.
Because last time you ran.
Am I being toxic again? My fault. Anyways, let's just find someone else to kill.
Ooh, these people look like
Alright, you.
presidents.
Oh.
And I'm dead.
Alright, I died.
Alright, let's just be.
Well,
Did he just die?
did he just die to?
Makes him dead.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, shoot, he has kunai.
Okay, he also has.
Come on, dodge. Oh my god.
Fight!
Ooh, we could just kill these guys. Thanks for the kill and. Oh, I love this.
We love that. We love to see that.
Oh,
Ready,
and oh my god, perfect parry. Holy. Could not see that one coming.
I was just about to burp. Do not.
Oh my god, bro. I am great at that. Not really, because I don't really parry a lot.
Oh.
Anyways. Okay.
Kill Kool-Aid again.
Oh, I'm on fire. Well, that really doesn't stop me.
Die.
And I'm dead again.
You killed me instead.
Hey. Okay.
Well, I think I'm just gonna.
Well, I mean, that could be it for the video, guys. See you guys.
Why are you fighting me?
Bro.
Why are you fighting me?
Oh my god.
Why are you?
Get away. Get away. Get away. Ah! 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 Oh, dang.
I'm dead. Alright.
Well, see you guys later.
That's today's video. So, see you guys later.